What up, y'all? So we've been trying to stay away from the drama, but we're having issues. It's one thing after the next. So right now we're driving and I have no brakes on the trailer.
Yeah, I just wanna get close to you. I just wanna get closer, but with you it feels just like deja vu. Come here, girl, let me hold you. Similar moves and you start to bend over. I've had to been here before. I've had to been here.
Good morning, YouTube. I'm Millie.
And I'm Tim.
And together we are
the Flippin' Travelers.
Today is a travel day. So we're getting ready and hooked up, as you guys can see. And we are gonna make our way to Greensboro, Georgia. But before we do that, we're gonna take you guys a little small tour of one of our favorite campgrounds to stop at. It's very cost effective and we just love how pretty much not really a lot of people are here.
Yeah, and the nature.
If you're looking for a resort kind of campground, this is not a resort kind of campground. It's more like a primitive tent and camping, you know. Cabins. One of our favorite things that we love about this place is literally like 5 minutes away from the springs, which you can go tubing, you can go in the spring area where there's like a cave and you can go snorkeling, you can dive. It's just pretty cool. It's lovely. So you guys can see. Yeah.
So you can canoe, tube, all that water stuff.
You can do a lot of stuff.
A lot of trees, man. I love the trees. And we've been lucky that we've got like perfect weather. The weather has been good. So these are the cabins. As y'all see here, over to the right, they got them kind of circled around. I think they're like 50 bucks a night. Yeah,
the cabins are 50 bucks a night. I think for the primitive tent camping, it's about $15 per tent. And
that much? I thought it was like 10. Well, still, that's not bad.
$15. And then for a site, a full hookup, they have 20, 30, and 50 amp. It is $21.75 per night. It's definitely a 24. Deal. Oh, well, with tax and all, it comes up to like $24. But
that's nice.
It's full hookup. It has water, sewer, and everything that you need. They have campground bathrooms.
They actually have a washer and dryer here.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, remember? Oh no, you didn't. I don't think we went to it last time we were here.
I do remember reading it on the pamphlet, but I kind of just forgot.
All right, guys. So you got all types of activities here. They've made their own. I don't know what this is, but you can swing or I don't even know.
Swing from up there.
Who knows?
So I guess you can barbecue. Look at the big barbecue that they have.
Yeah, this is just like, real camp life.
Yeah, it's not a super high class campground, but it's definitely very adventurous, and you can get your money's worth like ×5.
Yeah. Are we heading this way?
Yeah.
It's pretty big.
Yeah, it's huge.
I didn't even know all of that was back there.
I know. And I think this is a family-owned campground. The owners are super nice.
Yeah, this is mad chill.
Back. Yeah, they're very chill.
Mad chill.
Check out when you want to. I'm like,
pay when you want.
Pay when you want.
Oh, you guys coming tomorrow? Okay.
We've been here a few times.
Hey, which way are you heading? Over there? That's a part of it?
No, I think that's...
Oh, yeah, that's a fence right there.
Yeah. But the campground also has a convenience store, which we can probably take you guys in and check it out a little bit. And they rent tubes and canoes and everything you need for the springs and the park. So it's like one stop. You don't need to go
one-stop shop.
Yeah, you don't need to go anywhere else to.
Well, I mean, we're pretty out in the middle of.
Oh my God! Look at this. This is just.
This is beautiful.
Freaking amazing.
Yeah, but we're kind of in the middle of nowhere. We had to drive into town. It was like 20. What was it? 20 miles.
Yeah, it's about
15 miles.
25 minutes to go into town.
Yeah.
But when you're
here, you don't really want to leave.
You come ready. We're in an RV. We don't really need nothing unless you need like a heater.
We needed internet.
Internet and heaters.
Yeah, we needed internet.
Really cold last night.
Unfortunately, the internet's not so great here.
Yeah,
neither is your phone signal.
It works if you need to, but
that's good though, because that gives us time to get away from the phones and the computer. It's just to relax, man. Like,
yeah. Look at the little cabins. They're so cute.
Birds always chirping. Oh.
Yeah, because I know at the Georgia place, the cabins are like $90.
Yeah, well, the one that we're going to next, and we'll show you guys when we get there, what that campground is like. That's a KOA. Yeah, that's a KOA, so it's a little bit more expensive.
They have pool. They have like activities and all this crazy stuff. Yeah.
It was like 40, it dropped to like 39 last night.
Yeah, I was freezing my butt. And in order to conserve the gas, we were trying not to turn it off.
We had to bundle up. What time of the year is the busiest here?
Yeah.
I've been here 3 times and it's kind of been like this. We got I think we got like 2 full-timers, long-term people here. I saw that guy that's next to us there last year during the hurricane.
Did he have the tents up?
Didn't have the tents up.
A basketball court.
Basketball court, little play area for the kids.
This place is just amazing.
Yeah, guys, so it's off the 75. Ichetucknee Family Cabins and Campground. That's how you look it up.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to find it. There's 2 campgrounds. I think there's a campground for the actual park, which we never stayed at.
Yeah, I saw that. I was gonna say.
Yeah, this place is a little bit more cost effective and it's across the street from it, so we don't mind it. And the reviews are like good. They're like, I think it's like 4.5, 5 stars. Which we try to stay at places that have 4 and up stars unless we like don't have a choice.
Yeah.
And there's no availability, like when we're in South Florida. Full RV hookup, tent camping.
All right, that's it, guys.
So we're getting ready to go. See you guys next time.
Alright, so we're in transit to GA, as y'all know, and we have to drop off some packages, and this is how we got to do it. The mailbox store is over there. The reason why we're over here and not over there, because we came from that way, and figuring out a way to come back around and stop somewhere just to get to the post office wasn't gonna work. I'm gonna pull out of here, come right back out through and go left and go up to the 75. So there goes Millie. This is the life when you got packages to drop off and we're in transit. Attack! Attack! You can do it, Hope. You can get it. I believe in you. You can get it. There you go. Good girl. Georgia, we are back. We are back in GA, Georgia.
We're back. We in Georgia. We're about 4 hours away from Greensboro, Georgia, where we'll be staying for the next
45 minutes. Oh my gosh.
I know, but we're taking our time. So hopefully we're scheduled to reach at 6:20, but that's not counting any stops. So probably I would say 7 or 8, depending on stops and if we get something to eat or anything like that. So we'll see you guys in a little bit.
I need diesel. Gas can get expensive, man. When you have a gas truck, I was getting about 8.3 miles to the gallon. That is horrible. I don't know, this highway, these roads in Georgia, now it's flat. They got some inclines that you gotta go up, so I had to floor it, and I'm trying to get there. But so far it's been a safe ride, man. Everything has been smooth, no problems. All right, so we gotta make our own food today.
It's not bad.
What are we making?
I'm gonna make a sandwich, but first I gotta
Tuna sandwich.
Can
Everything
you
in
pull this
place?
out a little bit more? But can't fit it. That's good. That's good, baby.
Everything looks good. Nothing has gone all over the place. I'm surprised. Still got gas. Alright, so we're gonna eat that, head back on the road. My lunch consists of some cereal, some Frosted Flakes. Get the energy right going, you know. Keep you awake. Everywhere around here is like closed. Sony's is closed, Zaxby's is closed. But anyways, I got cereal, guys. Don't judge me, man. Do not judge me. This is how you save money on the road. May's heating up some rice.
The weirdest combination, fried rice and tuna.
What up, y'all? So we've been trying to stay away from the drama but we're having issues. First, it started with the truck not starting when we were leaving Florida. The truck wouldn't start. Didn't know why it wouldn't start, but we had a neighbor. We called Geico. They were going to send someone to jump start it. So we had a neighbor help us out. He came, hooked up his jumper cables, and it started. So we figured, okay, Maybe it's the battery or something. So we jumped it, he tested, he had a little voltmeter, he tested it. There was it was charging from the alternator. Everything was working fine until we got to North Florida, to the springs we were just at. And we were at the springs and we had to call Geico to send someone to jump it again. After that, we were like, after that, we were just gonna go get, you know, we're gonna go get a portable jump starter. Yeah. I have the jump starter, so if it dies, I can jump start it. Now we're driving and I just got a notification saying service trailer brake system and service air suspension system. Bruh, what the hell is this? It will never end. So what's weird is that when the battery died and we had the jump started, I was getting this message. And I wasn't sure why I was getting that message. I guess this has to do with the trailer brake system. But yeah, I don't know, man. It's one thing after the next. So right now we're driving and I have no brakes on the trailer. I have no brakes. Come on, Dodge, what is going on? So I don't know, we're reading the manual. I pulled over to maybe unhook.
I'm reading it.
Well, we are. You is me. So okay. Anyways, Millie's reading the manual to kind of see what's going on. I don't have any choice, but we got about 2 hours left. Yeah, man, things is just like happening, yo. Like, this puppy has a cherry eye.
Pray for us.
Puppy has a cherry eye. We had the problems with the trailer.
We're trying
now
to
the truck.
make the best out of it, though.
I'm about to just get out here and fly the drone, man, to bring my hopes up, because I don't know what's going on. Is something telling us not to go west, not to go on the road?
I don't know.
All right, anyways, I'm about to go. Resetting everything and unplugging everything didn't do a thing. We still got the message service trailer brake system and air suspension system. What is going on?
Since I've been back in the city, I can't help but wonder how you've been there. What are you on? Gotta let me know something. What are you on? Gotta let me know something. What are you on? Gotta let me know something. I've been out with Bella like Will was. These streets got so familiar. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Got it! Got the babes looking at me like it's dinner time. I know she vegan, but she want to stay tonight. I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Bad things, it's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah. Hey. We made it. Finally. Man, I'm sleeping right here. I'm so tired.
That's great. You deserve to sleep right there.
I'm so tired. I'm not tired.
What are you?
I forgot.
Fired up.
I'm fired up. I'm fired up to set up this trailer. All right, guys, we made it. Lake Oconee KOA. We are here to stay for 2 weeks, and then we're out to the west if Millie behaves.
No, if you behave.
If we all behave. If what's that girl's name? Behave. Hope behaves.
She needs to behave.
I'm excited.
I might just go west with Hope and leave you here.
Deuces. I'm good here.
Bye.
But anyways, guys, we'll show you guys the park probably tomorrow or another day or something like that. But it's beautiful. We're on a lake. I think
it's supposed to rain soon.
We're on a lake, so it's gonna rain. Like this video, share, comment. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. But we love you guys, and until next time.